A very good morning to you all, dear students. So today we are going to start with a new topic under block 26. So the topic of our discussion for today is relationship of the four domains. Alright, so under block 26 we have learned about atmosphere and biosphere, right? So today we're going to learn about relationship of the four domains, okay? So the aim for our class for today is students will be able to explain the relationship of the four domains. Resources needed is your worksheet S3, your notebook, and your exit content book. The keywords we will use today is causes, consequences, hurricane, destruction, and natural disasters. So let us learn the meaning of keywords first of all. What is causes? In simple meaning of the term, causes means the source or reason for an event or action that which produce or affects a result. They are known as causes. Consequences. That which follows something on which it depends. They are known as consequences. And what is hurricane? A severe tropical cyclone in the North Atlantic Ocean. Destruction. The act of destroying. Natural disaster. Any natural phenomenon that causes great damage and loss of life. See, we have read about the tsunami of 2004 in our previous class, right? So, how do you think the life of people living on the coast of the Indian Ocean was affected by the tsunami? So, say this is Indian Ocean, okay? It is near the Indian Ocean, okay? So, the one living near the coastal, all right, near the coastal line. How do you think the life of people living on the coast of the Indian Ocean was affected by the tsunami? All right, so see, during that incident, over 2 lakh people died, okay, while lakh of others lost their families and homes during the tsunami. Okay, so that is the causes. Now we will learn the causes and the consequences of imbalances in the relationship between the four domains. So, alright, you please note it down, okay? Tsunami, alright, in your notebook, alright? So listen, okay? A tsunami, how they are caused? A tsunami is actually caused when the two lithospheric plates under an ocean when they move, displacing the ocean water. Alright? Therefore, an imbalance between the lithosphere and hydrosphere causes a tsunami. Okay. So the consequences of tsunami are what happened when tsunami come? Human being are affected, means they lost their life. Plants are affected. Animals' life are also affected because many animals used to die, okay, because of tsunami, as well as loss of property. Not only that, houses are destroyed, buildings are destroyed, right? So those are the consequences of tsunami, all right? And how it occurs or the causes of tsunami is mainly uh, because of the imbalances in the lithosphere and hydrosphere. Okay, so when the two lithospheric plates, as they move in the ocean, okay, displacing the ocean water, it causes tsunami. Now all of you read the section relationship of the four domains, okay, from your exit content book, and you write each of the following main events taking place in the middle of page in your notebook: flooding, hurricane, water pollution, and air pollution. So you write the two domains, the imbalance between which causes the event. Under it, write the consequence of the event like this, okay, lithosphere plus hydrosphere. So this is after you after you are done reading the relationship of the four domains. That is from your content book. Alright, so you please go through this particular topic from your textbook, okay? Relationship of the four domains. Now after that you write this table, alright? lithosphere plus hydrosphere that causes lithosphere plus hydrosphere that causes tsunami. All right. So what are the consequences of tsunami? When tsunami occur, loss of human being are killed, plant and animal life are endangered, and there is loss of property as well. Now, what are the causes of the four events, like causes of flooding, hurricane, water pollution, and air pollution? Talking about these causes, okay. So, what are the causes of four events, and what are the consequences? What causes the four events, and what are the consequences? All right, very simple. See, we know that flooding is caused by an imbalance between the lithosphere and hydrosphere. Okay, and hurricane, they are caused by an imbalance between the hydrosphere and atmosphere. Both events, they lead to destruction of life and property. Okay, because of flood, many people, they lost their life, even property are destroyed. And because of all right, because of hurricane, even uh, people and property are destroyed. Water pollution takes place when people, they dump garbage in water bodies. Right? Therefore, this is an imbalance between the biosphere and hydrosphere. So it leads to loss of marine life, disease, and death of other living things. Okay, so one of the main causes of air pollution is mainly because of burning of fuels. Okay, so therefore this is an imbalance between the biosphere and atmosphere. So it leads to illness and the death of living things. All right, because of air pollution. Now, moving ahead with our discussion, how do natural or human activities that cause imbalances between domains? So, what according to you, natural or human activities they cause imbalance between the domains, and which domain is affected by all the events imbalances? So we have learned about the four domains, right? Lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, biosphere. So, which domain is affected by all events and imbalances? Alright, so listen carefully, okay? So, we came to know that the four domains, they are interrelated and they are interdependent with one another. Alright, so obviously a change in one affect the others, alright, because they are interrelated. Okay, so the change can be caused by natural factors such as movement of lithospheric plate, which result in a tsunami or earthquake, which causes destruction of life and property. And it is also caused by human activities such as pollution, affect the atmosphere, which in turn impact life. Alright, that is the biosphere. So the biosphere is actually affected by all the four events we have discussed thus far. Okay, so therefore we can see that any imbalances between the domains finally affects the biosphere. Okay, the last question for today, say North America has experienced several hurricanes, okay, over the past few years. Scientists, they have said that human activities are responsible for the increasing number of hurricanes. All right. So North America, scientists have found that the main causes of hurricane in North America is mainly because of human activities and not because of natural activities. Okay, so uh, you have to explain this statement. Okay, or what will be your answer for this? Okay, so you listen carefully. All right, so it is because of the increasing use of vehicles, okay, that lead to lot of carbon dioxide being released into the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide, how it traps heat within the atmosphere, okay, and this in turn heats up the ocean water as well. So hurricanes are caused by combination of warm ocean waters and winds. Okay, things to do for today: you have to complete your worksheet S3, okay, and then you have to finish the question, practice question number 7, 8 and 9. So these are the practice question that you have to complete along with your worksheet S3. So that's it. Thank you, take care and have a good day.